just do an eye and lip makeup tutorial for Mother's Day. I will go ahead and show you guys what's already on my face so that you'll know if you want to replicate it. It's basically just like a bunch of my other tutorials. But I put on the Benefit Professional Primer, and I use Makeup Forever. The color is in Y205, NYX HD Concealer, It by Pores Pressed Powder, Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunlight. I have on High Beam Highlighter from Benefit. And currently the only thing on my lips is the Juice Infusion from Ulta. And then I use the Give Me Good Brow number 3 in my brows. So let's go ahead and do the eyes now. I'm going to start off by taking a Moda M19. And I'm going to be using my Sephora Beautiful Crush palette. So to start off with, I am going to take this pretty like dark pinky purpley color, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm just going to put it all over. And I'm going to build it up because a lot of the colors in this palette are very buildable, so you can just keep adding. So I'm also going to take a little of this lighter pink on the same brush, and I'm just going to put it in the middle. So I'm just going to pop that right in the middle there. Next up, I'm going to take the Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take this darker color right under what we just used, and I'm just going to use that to blend out. So once I've done that, I'm going to go back with that lighter pink color and just put a little bit more of that in the middle of my eye. Or the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take a a smudger brush, and I'm going to take this really pretty light purple and go under my eyes with that. I'm only going to bring it halfway. You could take it all the way if you want. Next up, I'm going to take a Luxie brush, and I'm just going to take this super light pink and use it to go under, like on my brow bone. And I'm also going to put it in my inner corners. So after that, I'm going to take my Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara, and I'm just going to take that in my tops and bottom lashes. I hope that you guys can see what I'm doing with this palette, by the way, guys. It's like super large, so doing my best to like keep it where you can see but still be able to use the mirror on it. So after I've done that, I am going to move on to the lips. On my lips, I am going to put the NYX Whipped Fouette. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's this and it's in Pink Cloud. So I'm just going to put that on my lips over the lip oil. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I know I want like super pinky, purpley, like girly colors, but that just is what reminds me personally of Mother's Day. I just think of like pink and purple and florals and stuff like that. If that's not what makes you think of Mother's Day, then this might not be the look for you. But I really like this. I totally will probably wear this when I go out with my mom. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!